1866 on ILX 3011.
Delta 1866, may start traffic to 73 mile final. Traffic will hold in position. Wind 040 at 8, runway 30 left, clear land.
30 left, clear to land, Delta 1866.
Endeavor 5283, heading 360, contact departure. Gas 3713, map start at 3 left, line up right, traffic 6 south and Airbus. Delta 622, what's the gate?
Golf 11, Delta 622.
Delta 622, Alpha to the gates, monitor ground 100.
Alpha to the gate, monitor 49, Delta 622.
Gas 3713, turn left heading 280, runway 30 left, clear for takeoff.
Cluster heading 280, 30 left, clear for takeoff, Scouts 3713.
Air 4530, Minneapolis Tower, wind 0408, runway 30 right, clear your land.
Confirm clear to land, Delta 1866.
Delta 1866, that's confirmed. Gas 3713, turn further left heading 260 now, 260, connect departure.
260 departure, Scouts 3713.
Gas 3622, man, start at 3 left, line up and right. Gas 3912, Minneapolis Tower, traffic's in position, wind 0408, runway 30 left, clear land. Delta 1866, right turn Charlie, and can start towards the gate, counter crowd 100.
Charlie, right turn towards the gate, over to point 9, Delta
With your
1866.
seatbelt fastened and your carry item stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. Feel free to use your mobile devices. Before leaving the aircraft, take a quick look around your seat and in your seat pocket. Make sure of everything you brought on board.